The side handle gives you additional leverage to control your tool. Side handles are typically used on sanders, grinders, or drills. On a sander, it provides a second grip, so the sander is easier to control and less likely to kick back at you. Replacing the side handle is simple to do, and I'll show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Replacing the side handle is a simple repair to do. The side handle threads into the sander body. To remove it, I just unscrew it counterclockwise. Now I can install the new side handle. I'll line the side handle with the mounting hole and thread it into place. And that's how simple it is to install a new side handle on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.